Hey, today we're going to teach you how to salsa. No, not that kind of salsa. The fresh kind of salsa. Believe me, I've got 2 left feet and you wouldn't want to see me dance. Well, maybe you would if you needed a good laugh. So, game day is coming up. Any other time that you just want a really good chip dip, let's make a fresh homemade salsa that is out of this world. We're going to start with 4 fresh Romano tomatoes. I've quartered them. We've got the red onion. We've got some jalapeno peppers, 3 of them to be exact, and we get rid of the seeds. 3 cloves of garlic, about 1/3 of a cup of fresh cilantro. And then the other ingredients, we've got lime juice, 3 tablespoons. Over here, we've got 3 teaspoons of sugar, and then 3 teaspoons of cumin, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and also some green chilies in the can. That's a 4-ounce can. You can see the ingredient list down below in the comment section. And also the star of the show, the San Marzano tomatoes. They come all the way from Italy. You find them in any grocery store, but make sure when you buy them that it says certified, not a product of the U.S. Sorry to say, the Italian version is much, much sweeter. In fact, they even pack it with a little bit of basil, so that way it really brings out the sweetness when you put this into your salsa. Are you ready? Let's start putting these items into the blender. Actually, this is my Ninja, and yes, I love my Ninja. It is wonderful. And I'm going to leave a link down below, an affiliate link, just in case you want to get one. This machine has been phenomenal. I have rated this a 5-star purchase, and that's only because I am so completely satisfied with it. All right, there we have it. We've got all of our ingredients in the Ninja. We're going to put it to the test. Let's make sure everything is on the inside here because we don't need it splattering out. Okay. I'm just going to pulse it a couple of times because I really don't want to cream this stuff just yet. All right, let's take a look and see what we got so far. So far, so good. Let's put in the green chilies. And we're going to put in our tomatoes. And we're going to cover it up again. And this time we're going to blend. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is just too fabulous. All you have to do now is put yourself a good chip in there and have a little bit of fun. At this point, you can taste test it. And if you think it needs a little bit more sugar or a little bit more cumin, that's entirely up to you. But that's it. 1, 2, 3, and done. You've got the best salsa. People are going to wonder where you bought it. And you tell them, of course, no, I didn't get it in New York City. You know what I'm talking about. All right. For cooking in a flannel shirt, as always, thank you for joining us.